Afrobeats didn't knock on the door. It blew it off the hinges. What started in Lagos clubs is now echoing through every continent. From Nigeria to London, from TikTok to Coachella, Afrobeats is running the game. This isn't a wave. It's a cultural takeover. And it didn't happen overnight. It started with Fela Kuti, the pioneer. Political, rhythmic, unfiltered. Then came the evolution. D'banj, 2 Baba, P Square, icons on the rise. But when Wizkid dropped Ojua Legba, the world took notice. When Drake hopped on it, the fuse was lit. Then Davido came swinging. Then Burna Boy took it global. Then Tems redefined what soulful meant. And suddenly, Afrobeats wasn't niche. It was essential. It wasn't world music. It was world-class music. And the sound? Infectious. Groove heavy. No genre boundaries. Just pure, rhythmic storytelling. It blends tradition with innovation. Ancestral drums with auto-tune. Pidgin with patois. Heartache with heat. And the world couldn't resist. Because Afrobeats isn't just heard. It's felt. You don't listen. You move. You dance. You surrender. And platforms noticed. Spotify created Africa Now. Apple built Africa Rising. YouTube pushed Nigerian acts into global playlists. And TikTok exploded it. One dance, one challenge. Millions of new fans born overnight. And for once, Africa wasn't chasing the West. The West was chasing Africa. Rihanna bumped it. Beyoncé built around it. Chris Brown jumped on it. And now, Afrobeats is pop. It's in stadiums. It's in fashion. It's in cinema. It's influencing production from Atlanta to Seoul. Producers from Ghana are shaping UK grime. Lagos slang is showing up in London freestyles. Even K-pop idols are mimicking the bounce. Because Afrobeats has no borders. It moves across cultures effortlessly. Why? Because rhythm is universal. And joy is contagious. Afrobeats doesn't just sound good. It feels like freedom. It doesn't talk down to you. It brings you up. It doesn't brag to impress. It vibes to connect. Even when it flexes, it celebrates. No wonder it caught fire. Because in a world tired of tension, Afrobeats delivers release. And the artists? They're global CEOs now. Burna's got Grammys. Wiz headlined Madison Square Garden. Asaki packs out festivals. Rema's running Europe. Tems is redefining R&B. And they did it on their terms. No industry blueprint. No gatekeeper permission. Just sound, swagger, and strategy. They didn't conform. They converted the industry. And now Afrobeats is a bridge. Connecting continents. Building billion-dollar brands. Turning local heroes into global icons. And this is just the beginning. Because there's Afropop, Alte, Amapiano, Drill blends, Africa's not done expanding. Afrobeats isn't a peak. It's a launch pad. So if you thought it was a trend, you weren't listening. This is a movement. This is momentum. This is what happens when culture, confidence, and creativity collide. Afrobeats didn't ask for the world's attention. It took it. And the world gladly gave it back.